All right, now we in, I want to say this is Oak Cliff, and I'm going to be doing a quick valve cover gasket on like a '03 Honda Civic. It's a pretty easy repair. It's funny, I didn't even have this one scheduled. I was picking up the coolant for the radiator that I just replaced, and I ran into one of my customers. I call him Uncle Calvin. Someone told me stop at that store, and I happened to run into him, and I'm able to do another quick appointment while I'm out and about. It's pretty cool, actually. No matter where I'm at in Dallas, I'm always at least less than 10 minutes away from a client where I am, unless I'm in like Fort Worth or Mesquite or Waxahachie or something like that. But even Waxahachie, I got a lot of clients in Red Oak, Glen Heights, DeSoto, Lancaster. This is the way.
This is it. Oh, it definitely got a little oil leak.
Hey! What?
I thought you were going to change somebody's radiator.
Oh, yeah, I did that already.
You did that already?
Hmm?
Okay.
HerbzAutoCare.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Might knock the phone down and everything.
It's heard that they said there's quite a few people without their electricity.
Today out here?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I can see that, too, because of the wind, I guess. They don't be taking much nowadays.
Right.
Make it 880. Right here, this is the cruise control cable. All right. See, it doesn't take too much to come off. Just remove all the 10mm bolts. Still looks really good in this engine too. Definitely tell you keep up with his oil changes. This gasket, this just comes right out. Sometimes it'll be like a hard plastic. You have to chip it out, pry it off. And with these, you can get you like a flat blade and pull them out. Remember, the smooth side goes facing this way. Clean all these edges up. Thankfully, there's no gasket material to scrape off or anything, so just cleaning up the edge of the block where gasket, but the valve cover meets. All right. All right, when it comes to tightening these, I use the drill only to speed up the process, but I don't use it to tighten. I like to tighten them by hand. That way I know I'm not over tightening them. Pretty much just reverse that process. Put the ignition coils back in. Check for leaks. You're good to go. And look at that. Clean all this mess up. I'm gonna check all this fluids. And we're gonna be good to go. All right. It's been running for a little minute. Check for leaks and everything is good.